Make the flower and stick on a surface with artist's tape. Take an 8-size round brush. Dip in clean water. Apply water on only one petal with the brush. Take any color and add lots of water to make it watery. Quickly apply color on the petal and let the water do its magic. Add any other color for blending. Direct the color with brush to the petal shape. Pick an alternative petal to do the same. Let the first petal dry until then, and repeat the same for the third petal. While these petals dry, let's do the leaf. Apply clean water all over the leaf. Add green and blend with water. Paint with more green on the curves to suggest shadows. When the petals dry, color the rest of the petals same way. Apply clean water on the petal and the overlapping petals. This is how we'll get the transparent petals look. While painting the stem, paint the stem that shows beneath the bottom petal too, but not through the leaf. To give details in the leaf, pick a round brush number 0 and pick more color than water for crisp outlines and veins. Add water wherever lighter version of color is required. Blend further with water. Add more color wherever dark color is required. Dark color for the pistils. Finer details to the petals by giving fine lines to the petal veins. And this is how you can easily make watercolor flower with transparent petals using the wet on wet technique.